If you want to know how to add members in Grammarly, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. Just a quick note before we begin. You can only add members if you have a Grammarly Business or Grammarly for Education subscription. The free and premium individual plans do not support multiple members on one account, so if you're on one of those plans, this option won't be available. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and click the Grammarly extension icon in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select My Grammarly. This will take you into your Grammarly workspace, where all the business and team settings are managed. If you don't see this option, double check that you're signed into the correct account and that your subscription includes team management features. Once you're inside the workspace, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Admin Panel. This is where account owners and admins can control the organization settings, team members, and access permissions. If you're not an admin or owner, you may not see these options, so make sure you have the right role before continuing. Now in the admin panel, find and click the organization tab on the left menu. This section contains the main settings for your Grammarly team or business account. After that, click Members. This is where Grammarly lists all current users who have access to the organization, and it's also where you can invite new people. To add someone new, click the Invite Members button. A pop-up window will appear, and this is where you can start entering the member details. If you only need to add a few people, simply type in their individual email addresses. Make sure the emails are correct, because Grammarly will send the invitation directly to those inboxes. If you need to add a larger team, Grammarly also gives you the bulk upload option. This is helpful if you're onboarding several people at once. With bulk upload, you can import a CSV file instead of adding each email manually. That saves time and makes it much easier to manage bigger groups. After entering the email addresses or uploading your file, take a moment to review everything carefully. Once you're sure the information is correct, click Invite Member. Grammarly may then prompt you to confirm any additional seat costs, depending on how many members you're adding and how many available licenses you have. Follow the payment prompts to finalize the purchase if needed. Once that's complete, Grammarly will send the invitation to the new members and they can join your organization from their email invitation. After they accept, they'll be added to your Grammarly team and can start using the business or education tools right away. And that's it. You've now learned how to add members in Grammarly. It's a simple process once you know where to go, and now you can manage your team much more efficiently. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.